another video. This video is actually a brain fart, or rather I can say it's just a thought that I was having while I was getting ready for something else, and I thought why not make a video. So this video, you've already seen the title, is about the grooming essentials. Now, irrespective of you being beautiful or you not being beautiful, it's important to keep yourself groomed and presentable. Now with that, I want to talk to you about my grooming essentials and my grooming kit. It is nothing fancy, yet affordable, and yes, if you want to make it fancier, there is no end to it, but something that I'm sure you all have it in your vanity or in your kitty, because this video is definitely not for females, it's for everybody, because grooming and being presentable is not gender centric. So if you want to know what it is, then stay tuned for this video. Alright, तो हम आ गए हैं अपने bathroom setup में, and the first thing that I want to talk about is a body wash. Now, it is not necessary to have a body wash. You can have a soap also. There are a lot of soap variables available in the market, but what I have been using since last 5-6 years is body wash. Now you can choose to have any other body wash, but I have been using this one, which is from Dove, and it is in the variant shea butter and vanilla. There are a lot of variables available here, but this is the one that I have been using since the time I've come back to India. And the one that I have been using in Dubai is the one from Bath and Body. I think it's the eucalyptus and tea oil. That is what I have been using. So this is the first thing that I wanted to share with you, was body wash. Wow, what an amazing sunlight that I am getting on my face. It's a sun-kissed face look, guys. Okay, let's just get back to the frame. The next thing that I want to talk about with you is body lotions. Now, a lot of you would think that body lotion की ज़रूरत क्या है? हमारे body में already इतने oil secrete होते हैं कि you would need no body lotion. But trust me, our body needs a lot of moisturization, starting from childhood until we literally die. Because as we grow, I'm sure a lot of us know, as we grow that we lose a lot of elasticity, we lose a lot of flexibility, we get wrinkles, we lose moisturization, and hence what comes to our rescue is moisturizers. Now I have ample of moisturizers available with me, but what I mostly use is two variants. One is Nivea, that's my cult favorite, or I can say it's my OG. It's my original moisturizer, and I love using that. But I have a lot of variants on Nivea. So these are, some of them are bought, some of them are gifted. And current latest is Body Bath and Body, which is warm vanilla sugar. And this is again the same variant. I've been using this now, but this was not the idea. It was just to try another lotion. But my cult favorites are going to be Nivea for sure. I've changed a bit of angle because I think it was just right on my eyes. It's still coming on my eyes and now it's getting dark. But anyways, क्योंकि अब moisturization की बात हो रही है तो face को कैसे भूला जाए. So I have been using one moisturizer since ages, which is one from Clinique. I have been talking about it. It's definitely on the expensive side, but I've been using this from 5 years and I have not been breaking out at all. अब breakout हो जाए तो पता नहीं. But yes, this is what I use for my face moisturization. I also use hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and if I use vitamin C, I top it up with sunscreen. This is the one that has been referred to me by a very good friend. Prior to that, I was using any sunscreen that was coming my way. Sometimes I was using Dot and Key, sometimes I was using Minimalist, but this really has my heart now. I think I cannot go back to any other sunscreen. Trust me, this is awesome. I will link everything that I have been using. If you want to go and buy it, by all means go ahead and buy it. And in toner, I have been using rose water that I have been using since last 3 years. That's something that I've included in my skincare. But yes, for face moisturization, I use these 3 products. And at night, I just use either a retinol or a niacinamide and top it up with same Clinique moisturizer. And of course top it up with a face oil. Mostly I use plum face oil. So yes, that's the face moisturization that I use to keep myself moisturized all the day. फेस के बारे में बात हो रही थी तो मैंने सोचा लिप्स के बारे में भी बात कर ली जाए. So I use either of this. I use either a lip speaking mask. Yeah, because I talk a lot. So either I use a lip sleeping mask. This is from Laneige. I've been using it since a very long time. And the next one is Nivea. This is again an OG product. Cannot do without it. And of course Vaseline. If you're a Vaseline person, matlab inse better Vaseline hai. Trust me, I've lost mine right now in search of finding it. But Vaseline is one that you can definitely use it on your lips, and it's the best. पैसे खर्च नहीं करने, one stop shop चाहिए, purchase Vaseline, guys. It's going to help you with everything. So for lips, you can use either Nivea or Laneige or Vaseline, whatever suits your pocket or whatever suits your skin. क्योंकि ग्रूमिंग की बात हो रही है और अगर ये ग्रूमिंग किट में ना हो तो क्या ही बात हो. So what I'm going to talk to you about is something that a lot of you would not be using or would not like, or probably is using and is not talking about it. But I will go ahead and talk about it because this is one thing which is a good razor. I have been using this since last 5 years now. I've stopped waxing. I think since the time I've come back to India, I've gone to waxing twice. And trust me, the pain of waxing is now killing me. So I've gone back to my razors. Now this is the one that I use is Gillette Venus Breeze. That's what I have been using, and trust me, it helps you, gets the work done in 10 minutes, and you can do it whenever you want. Alright, so ये थी body की बात. Coming to face, I use 2 things. One is this, which is from Braun. This is specially for upper lips. If I have no time to go and visit a salon, I go and use this. This is my go-to thing. And of course, I do a bit of face peach fuzz removal as well, and for that I use a face razor. You can use whatever works best for you. You can choose to keep it, you can choose to not keep it, completely your choice. But these are the things that I use for my face, for keeping my face clean and groomed and all the time. So these are the two razors that I use for cleaning my peach fuzz because grooming is essential, and to keep yourself up is important. Alright, the next thing which is not of course gender centric, but हमने उसको gender centric बना दिया है, which is about makeup. I'm not going to talk about heavy fully loaded makeup, but something that I use every day, because even if I'm doing work from home, I need to look presentable or groomed. So there are only 4 things that I use apart from moisturization, which is a good eyebrow pencil. My eyebrows are all over the world. They have a lot of cuts in it, so I need to fix that. And I definitely do wear a kajal even if I am at home, because अगर मैं वो नहीं पहनूंगी या वो नहीं लगाऊंगी, then I look like somebody who has just woken up. The next thing that I use is definitely a tint. Tints have been in fashion from a very long time, and I think everybody has been using it. जब tints नहीं होते थे तब I think a lot of people used to use blush, or they used to use lipsticks, but I have been one of those who've been using lipstick and giving it a little bit blush effect. And last but not the least, either a lip balm or a gloss. So these are the 4 things that I use. If you really want to know what products do I use Benefits का Precisely My Brow Pencil. This I have been using since ages. ना इससे पहले मैंने कुछ use किया है, and I'm sure ना इसके बाद में कुछ use करने वाली हूँ. I am in the shade 4.5. I am in the shade 4, and that's what I have been using it. I don't think so I will ever touch anything else, because I know it's on the expensive side, but I cannot go and look at something else apart from this pencil. The next that I use is kajal. I have been using L'Oreal, sometimes Maybelline, sometimes Plum, whatever comes my way. I just used a kajal. Currently, I am using Plum because I got that in some kit as a freebie, so I am using this. Lip gloss, of course, either I use Vaseline or I use Nivea or I use Laneige, but I also have NYX lip gloss, so I use this as well sometimes. So it really varies what I really want to wear or what is the theme of that day, or how am I feeling. And the next thing that I use is Benefit ka tint. I don't know what variant is this. This is the red variant. I think it's cherry, if I'm not mistaken. But इससे बहुत दूसरे भी मैंने variants use किए हुए हैं. Since all of them have got over and I just have this, I'm using this because I am on a no shopping spree. I do not want to buy anything right now because there is a lot that I have in my kitty. So yes, this is what I use in my everyday makeup or grooming thing. Alright, क्योंकि मेकअप के बारे में बात हो रही है तो मेकअप रिमूवर के बारे में भी बात होनी चाहिए. I have two of my favorite products. One, actually both of them are on the little bit expensive side. But sorry, I do not have any other affordable product. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you can invest on these two products and they're going to run with you for a very long time. So the first one that I'm going to talk to you about is Clinique. This is take the day off. Just take a bit of it and clean your makeup. It's just going to melt everything for you. And the next that I use is the Face Shop ka Rice Water Bright. This is rich cleansing oil, and these are the two things that I use to break down my makeup. Of course, iske baad you have to use a face cleanser and wash it all the residual of the makeup that you have left. But these are the next two grooming things that I use literally on everyday basis. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा makeup नहीं लगाया हुआ है, then a small amount of cleanser works well for me. But अगर मैंने डेली में कुछ मेकअप किया हुआ है, this works wonder for me for a grooming point of view. Ta-da! The next thing in the grooming essentials is what I'm going to talk about is fragrances. ये सेक्शन तो कैसे ही बोल सकते हैं अगर ग्रूमिंग के बारे में बात हो रही है तो I cannot go away with fragrances. Now fragrances में ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको परफ्यूम रखना ज़रूरी है. What is important is that you can keep yourself smelling good even by using mists. So you can use a mist. मेरे पास जो मैं घर पे यूज़ करती हूँ which is from Plum, I know. ये भी मुझे किसी freebie में मिला था, but yes, it smells amazing. Truly love it. अगर आप हाई एंड परफ्यूम्स में नहीं जाना चाहते हो या अगर लो एंड परफ्यूम्स में जाना चाहते हो, so then you have this from Zara. This is Bloom 01. And then if you buy perfumes and if you get a chance to get miniatures, do not forget to get any of the miniatures from the market. And of course perfumes goes without saying, but keeping yourself smelling good is important. अगर आप talcum भी यूज़ करते हो, nothing like it. अगर आप mists यूज़ करते हो, deos यूज़ करते हो, perfumes यूज़ करते हो, use them because grooming का essential part होता है not to smell bad. As human beings, we do sweat. Some of us would have an odor sweat, and some of us would be odor-free sweat. But sweat सब करते हैं. But then the idea is to keep ourselves smell good, and this is one of the last things probably that I would like to talk to you about, that how important it is to keep yourself groomed and smell good. So if you want to know the kind of perfumes that I use, let me know. I have made a lot of videos here or here, wherever. I'll link it here. But I've made a lot of couple of videos on perfumes. You can go and check that out. But if you really want to know specifics of perfumes that I use, I will share that with you, so do not forget to do that. And last but not the least is wet wipes. Now usually मैं wet wipes इसलिए यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अपना makeup remove करना होता है, because we travel, I have a younger one and he touches everything in the world, so I keep these wet wipes to you know, keep our hands clean and probably sanitized. We have stopped using sanitizers from a very long time, but yes, these are the things that I think are essential to keep with you even while you're traveling somewhere. We have miniatures for everything, चाहे वो बॉडी लोशन का हो, चाहे वो फेस वॉश का हो, चाहे वो बॉडी वॉश का हो, चाहे वो मेकअप हो, चाहे वो वेट वाइप्स हो, चाहे वो फ्रेग्रेंसेस हो, everything in the grooming kit has a miniature with it, and you should definitely carry it. And as I said previously that, you know, grooming is essential. It is not gender specific. चाहे आप मेल हो, फीमेल हो, जेंडर लिक्विड हो, और किसी और कम्युनिटी से भी बिलोंग करते हो, really doesn't matter. You can use and choose whatever you feel is good for your skin, for your body, and for what you feel comfortable in. So yes, with that, I close with this video. I'm sure you loved it. Just a brain fart that I had and the thoughts that I was undergoing, and here I made a small video out of it. So if you liked it, please do not forget to give that thumbs up because that means the absolute world to me, and please do not forget to click a subscribe button too. And with that, I close this video and see you soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.